কালকে ফেয়ারওয়েল না? তাহলে কি করা যায় ফেয়ারওয়েল?
কোনোদিনও ভাবতে পারিনি যে এত তাড়াতাড়ি জার্নিটা শেষ হয়ে যাবে। এখনও মনে আছে যে বাড়িতে বসে আমরা ওরিয়েন্টেশন করেছি
এবং ফার্স্ট ডে যখন কলেজে আসছিলাম যেই ফিলিংসটা হচ্ছিল একটা ভেতরে ধুকপুকানি, আজকে সেম ফিলিংসটা হচ্ছে, আমি জানি না কেন হচ্ছে।
If you could invent a new holiday for your college, what it be called and how it would be celebrated? That will be a friendship day.
College life had a theme song that played every time you entered a room. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
How would you summarize your college experience using only emojis?
What's the most unusual and surprising thing that you learn about yourself during college? I love Chinese food.
If your college life had a theme song that played every time you entered a room, what would it be? Hall of Fame.
If you were given the chance to design a new course for future students, what would it be about? Mobile photography.
I really can't believe that this day has actually come to be when I'm going to leave college for good and for bad. So yeah, that's it. I can't really sum it up in a sentence or a minute or two, which is the time that you've allotted to me now. So yeah, that's it.
If your college had a signature dance move, what would it look like?
Now I feel like not leaving this college, but yeah, everything has an end and we have to leave this college. So